Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex, your co-host.
And I'm Jamie. Today, Alex, we're diving into a topic that can make or break a startup, building that crucial minimum viable product, or MVP.
Absolutely, Jamie. It's a critical first step, but also one of the biggest pitfalls. The statistics are pretty stark. 90% of startups fail, and it's often not because of a bad idea, but bad execution.
Exactly. Founders burn through their precious runway building products nobody asked for, or they get bogged down in endless features. They ship so slowly that by the time it's ready, the market window has already slammed shut.
The antidote, as our article today highlights, is a focused MVP. But here's the kicker. Choosing the right development partner for that MVP is its own minefield. You need a team that can build fast without cutting structural corners, push back on scope creep, and really preserve the core value that makes your product fundable.
It's not just about finding engineers. It's about finding strategic partners. The article gives us a fantastic breakdown of 9 companies that have truly earned their reputation in this space, and they each have their own unique strengths.
Let's highlight a few. If you're in a highly regulated industry, say healthcare or fintech, compliance isn't optional. That's where Glorium Technologies really shines. They're based in the USA and have 14 years of experience, with ISO and HIPAA certifications. They've delivered over 150 products in those complex verticals.
That's huge. Compliance can be a massive hurdle. But what if you're a US-based startup looking for a cost-effective solution with a strong emphasis on user experience? Cheesecake Labs from Brazil sounds like a fantastic nearshore option. They're known for creating products users genuinely enjoy, which directly impacts early adoption.
And for those bootstrapped founders, Jamie, who just need to validate an idea fast without burning through their limited cash, F22 Labs in India is built around that principle. They prioritize speed over polish to get you to market validation in weeks, not months.
That's a smart trade-off for early-stage validation. And speaking of polish, PerWeb from Eastern Europe focuses on consumer-facing apps where first impressions are everything. They embed design thinking from day one to ensure even lean MVPs feel premium, because users don't distinguish between an MVP and a finished product.
Great point. First impressions are critical. Then there's STRV, operating out of the Czech Republic and USA. They're more than just MVP developers. They're strategic product partners. They actually think about post-MVP scaling from the start and aren't afraid to push back on features that create future technical debt. That kind of honesty is invaluable.
Absolutely. Planning for growth from day one can save so much headache down the line. And for those working with a lot of data, especially with AI or machine learning features, Agile Engine, with a presence in the USA, Latin America, and Europe, brings enterprise-level AI and data engineering capabilities to MVP projects.
So it really boils down to your specific constraints, doesn't it? Whether you're in a regulated industry, need deep technical customization, prioritizing UX, or planning for rapid scaling, there's a specialized partner out there.
Exactly. The best MVP partner isn't just the one who builds fastest, but the one who helps you learn faster and build smarter. It's about matching their expertise to your unique challenges and ensuring that focused execution.
Couldn't agree more. Choosing wisely can genuinely be the difference between joining that 90% failure rate or becoming one of the successful few. A huge thank you to our article for this insightful breakdown.
And thank you for tuning in to Top Tech Growth Hacks. We hope this helps you navigate the exciting yet challenging world of MVP development.
That's all for this episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. We'll catch you next time.